How to create a Binance P2P merchant account. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to create a Binance P2P merchant account, make sure to follow the steps. First of all, log in into your Binance account using the website or the app. Once logged in, make sure you have completed the identity verification. Only then you can proceed to other steps. In order to verify your identity, you need to give in the documents such as passport or the government issued ID. Once verified, let's proceed with the step. If you are on the web, you can hover over the trade menu and select P2P, while on the app, you can see the P2P trading from the home page or the trade menu which is on the bottom. Once you are on the P2P page, look for the Apply to be a merchant option or a related link. Once that is done, you have to first review the merchant application criteria. This includes the trading volume, reputation, and adherence to the platform policies. Once that is done, you'll have to fill in the form which requires personal and business information, P2P trading history, and proof of compliance with Binance standards. Once that is done, you can submit and Binance customer support team will review your application. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.